in the world of learning and discovery as we commence today's assembly.
A very auspicious morning to senior coordinators, our hardworking teachers and all my dear friends. I, Astha,
And I, Akanksha,
along with my class group, welcome you all in pleasant morning assembly.
each new day gives us path to improve ourselves. And when we pour efforts, we automatically be able to taste the fruits of success. It's sunshine outside. Let's rise from the darkness and shine our own light. With these motivational lines, I would like to call Vishesh and Chetali for thought.
Today's thought is, all birds find shelter during the rain, but eagle avoids the rain by flying above the clouds.
Its meaning is your future can be defined how you solve your problems. Life isn't perfect. We all have our problems. Either live with problem or live with solution.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for such inspirational thought.
To update ourselves shows our awareness towards our national society. News make us understand what is happening around the world. So to enlighten us with current happening here, Charvi and Dhairya for latest news headline.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Dhairya and today I am present here to make you all aware of of our surroundings. So here I begin with international news. Russian ballistic missile strikes at Ukraine kills 6 people in Zelensky's hometown. Suicide bombing in Pakistan has increased gradually and the death toll has increased to 54 deaths.
Some national news. PRF Jawan shoot dead 4 person on both Jaipur-Mumbai train. Scientists discover 600 million year old ocean water from Himalayas.
Sports news. Kylian Mbappe has decided to leave Paris Saint-Germain and join Real Madrid in Premier League 2024 and Jasprit Bumrah has decided to get a comeback in ODI World Cup 2023.
Some school news. Intra-house meeting will be held tomorrow. The preparation for Independence Day has started with pomp and show. Thank
Here
you.
we are with the weather report. High rainfall is expected in central India with a temperature of 32 degrees Celsius and humidity of 78% along with a wind speed of 21 knots per hour. Thank you.
Thank you for such well-informed news.
As we broaden our range of vocab, we be better able to extend our ideas and emotions. So for vocab, I would like to call Bhumika, Shashank, Charvi and Chitranjali.
My first idiom is kick the habit. To start doing something harmful that you have done for a long time. And the sentence is, he used to be a heavy smoker, but he kicked the habit last year.
My second idiom is Sathi nice. It means in a risky situation. Sentence. The student was in thin ice because he was disturbing the class. Thank you.
My third idiom is in the largest measure. Its meaning is in great quantities. And sentence Arnold helped the tsunami victims in the largest measure.
My fourth idiom is to take the lead, and the meaning is to go forward. And the sentence is India should take the lead in the path of technology. Thank you.
Thank you for improving our vocab.
So now, I would like to call my classmates first kid.
You are the director of your own life. Don't play the script written by others. Good morning, everyone. So, the characters of this skit are Anmol, Rudra, Kushal, Dhairya, Raghav as Anmol's friend, Dhairya as shopkeeper, Aman as Anmol's father, Bhavya as Ruth's father, and Aradhya as a doctor. There was a friend circle of 4 friends. They all have a good bonding between them. Here, Rudra is rich, but the financial condition of Anmol's house is not good. One day, all the friends were sitting and talking together in a group, and in a while, Rudra comes there. He looked very happy and cheerful. Then Kushal asked,
Rudra, why are you looking so happy today?
Anyone enthusiastic too? What's the matter?
Guys, this is just because of my new iPhone.
What? New iPhone?
Yes, my father has gifted me this new iPhone.
all the friends were delighted as well as younger fathers.
Dad, I want an iPhone.
What? iPhone? Are you serious?
Yes, I am serious, Dad.
No, we cannot purchase it.
Except, and as we all know that no parent can see their child unhappy. For this reason, Anmol and his father moved towards the shop.
Welcome, sir. How can I help you?
I want to buy iPhone for my son.
Come, I will show you.
Anmol also have iPhone. He was very happy because he got iPhone. A huge amount was spent to buy an iPhone, and as they were passing, money problems started increasing, due to which his father got stressed, and as a result, his father health started deteriorating when his father went to the doctor.
What happened, sir?
I am not feeling well.
I think your father is suffering from stress, so I suggest you to take care of him.
Okay, ma'am.
Then Anmol told his father.
Sorry, Dad. I realized my mistake. Next time I will not repeat it.
Okay.
Do not follow state. Do not follow other social life status. You have